Hello, I'm Dr. Joe Iser, Chief Health Officer for the Southern Nevada Health District. I'm excited to present this video series for food handlers regarding food safety in Southern Nevada. Enjoy the videos. Our topic today is cooking temperatures. Okay, let's get started. When cooking foods, use a probe thermometer to ensure that foods have reached the appropriate temperature to kill germs. First, make sure your thermometer is sanitized. You'll want to make sure that vegetables and grains reach a temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Whole cuts of meat and fish should be cooked to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Any ground meats should reach a temperature of 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Lastly, any poultry, like this fried chicken, yum, should reach a temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit before it's cooked. Thanks for watching. If you have more questions, please contact your assigned inspector.